Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I actually want quickly to show you guys these simple tricks people are actually using to deceive you guys when it comes to triangular arbitrage. There are some things you need to know when it comes to triangular arbitrage. Is when you are doing triangular arbitrage, make sure you are operating on coins, not fiat currency. It should be digital currency, that is such as Ethereum, BTC and the rest, not fiat currency. As you can see on my screen, USDT slash try here is a fiat currency. Fiat currency is such as is like Nigeria Indian currency, like Naira currency, and the rest. If you are operating on some certain fiat currency, which is actually very low compared to USDT, you are going to actually be on a loss. Okay, so I actually want to show you this video quickly, especially when people are trying to deceive you on this kind of arbitrage or making video on try currency, trying to show you that it is profitable while it is not profitable. So I'm going to show you that tricks right now, right here. So stay tuned, you are going to be watching this thing live. So if you like this kind of content and you don't want to be losing your money anyhow, you just subscribe, like and share this video, because I always come here to drop legit update for you guys. If I notice anything that is not working, I'm coming here to drop it for you guys so that you guys will be aware of it. If anything is working, I will also come and tell you guys that it is working. I will also do a video on that. So just like, share and subscribe. Okay, so just watch me as I'm going to perform this thing right in front of you. First of all, let's do a triangular arbitrage. I'm going to do a triangular arbitrage on this try. Watch me as I'm doing the tricks. That any currency that USDT is bigger than, in terms of value, you will not make profit with that currency unless the currency also gain in value. That is when you actually make money with it. But if the dollar is very higher than that currency, you are not going to make profit. Let's jump into the video right now. Let's use Solana USDT for this arbitrage. Okay, before I do that, let me jump into compare market and show you everything. Can you see that one Solana here is actually at the rate of $152, and when it comes to try currency here, one Solana here is actually $159 or USDT. Some people will tell you that this is a good time to enter into the market and make money to yourself. Fine, let me reveal those secrets to you, that they are actually lying to you. The only way you will be able to make money is if you are dealing with cryptocurrency, not fiat currency. So first of all, let's buy here where it's cheap and sell here where it's high and see if we are going to make profit. Sorry, let me use $300 for this arbitrage. Can you see with my 300 USD, I will receive 1.95 Solana. So I now copy the value. I now click on here. Then what am I going to do? I'm going to sell Solana to try. You can see the value I have. I now copy the value here. The value of try I have here. I now copy it. I now move to USDT slash try. Okay, can you see USDT slash try here? So if I should paste in the amount of try I have here, see how much we are going to make. Boom. Can you see that we are actually losing out? Okay, can you see that we are actually losing out? These people, they will never tell you the truth. They are just doing this for you to, oh wow, this guy know what he's doing, let me just subscribe to his channel. No, they are trying to fool you. Okay, they are trying to fool you. They are not making any money from this unless you are going to wait till when this strike come down to maybe 3-2 or 3-3 without this fraction. So if I should clear this, you will see that you will see another change, and this is the tricks they actually use. So let me clear this, and let me also remove this fraction after the decimal points and see what you are going to get. I've removed the fraction after the decimal point, and I will paste it back. Can you see the tricks now that I've removed the numbers after the decimal point, and I now paste it back again, and you have made a profit of $5. See the tricks they're actually showing you. What they do is they remove um the fraction so that they will make profit and tell you wow 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 all this and that. They're actually lying. If you want to actually to do triangular arbitrage, please stick to cryptocurrency. Don't use fiat. If you are using fiat, make sure it is USD. Make sure it is USD, that is dollar, because dollar is equivalent to USDT. Okay, so that is the end of this video. If you like the video, actually subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you.